welcome back. I hope you have a great and nice day and making it incredible one for you. And if not, so let's try make an effort to make it amazing and beautiful one for you. Well, in this video we will learn how to upgrade drivers in Windows 11, 10 or whatever number of Windows you are using right now. All you need, just click once and leave it. Intel Assistant will take the rest of it. Basically, my friend, Intel Driver and Support Assistant is the tool to update Windows PC driver automatically in just by one click. It is used in PCs that have Intel processors. Definitely it have some requirements. So let's talk about what are requirements. First of all, it requires some advanced and latest processors. Just hold down. It does not mean that you cannot use it in an old processors, but it just take down advantages a slightly bit. Of course, you can use it in any Intel processor, but my recommendation is minimum i3 second generation at least is required. Windows 7, 8, 8.1, 10 and 11. Definitely, my friend, if your OS is not supported, you can visit this download center just by clicking on this. Once you have done setup, now let's talk about how to use it. Simply click once for open it, and you can also double click on that if it is on your desktop. It will directly open a tab in your browser because it works online. Simply come here, search for it and right click on that and simply pin to start or pin to taskbar. After a shutdown or restart, you can access easily it by just clicking once on it. How to upgrade driver automatically in Windows 11? As you open it, it will automatically open Edge tab or any other browser tab. Basically, it will open Intel driver page. It is Intel intelligence based system. Their system check your system requirements by their AI system based technology and brought out which driver are needed to your device. It recommends the driver based on your system compatibility. As you can see, in my case, it have detect my system name and BIOS and other details as well. In your case, it will definitely check your system and will tell you which drivers are required for your system. From here, if you don't know your system processor name, graphics or audio, you can definitely see from here. If you don't know about BIOS of your system, you can see each and every detail. In my case, there is no update available. As you can see there, I have already updated my system and everything else is fine. In your case, if any kind of driver is missing, it will definitely tell you and you can download and install the driver. Now let's talk about driver upgrade. You can choose from here to download an Intel driver which are needed to your device. Once you click download button, any driver, it will automatically download and install it. A notification will appear and restart your device. All is fine, you are good to go. Nothing is perfect in the nature of this world. For some reason, if it does not brought out recommended driver for your device, let's move to our next step. Type here driver upgrade Windows 11 or whatever number you are using. Hit the enter. You will find dozens and dozens sources of upgrading your system driver. You can click any of their and download their tools and you can read their articles, blogs and each and everything else. There is no one way to upgrade your system drivers. There are a lot of other tools as well. You can also read Microsoft community blogs. Next time you can check the link in the description. You will reach on this page. You can read this whole blog on Microsoft website that how to upgrade Windows 11 driver. There are dozens of ways. Simply go to search bar and search for device manager. Click for open it. Once it is opened, it will show you all your system drives, disk, everything else. Choose manually what, for example, if you want to update your display driver, display adapters. In my case, I use NVIDIA graphic cards, that's why it's showing me. In your case, the version or the model can be different, so it's not matter, the way is same. Simply right click on that and click on this update driver. From here, click search automatically and then click on this search for updated drivers on Windows Update. It will open Windows Updates page. It's already an update that is downloading and it's have done 28%, but if any driver update is available, it will show you on this page. You can also go to search bar again, search for Windows Update setting, click for open it. You will directly reach on this Windows Update setting page. Let's move to our next step. Click on this advanced options. From here, click on this optional features. As you can see, under the additional options, click on this optional updates. In my case, there is no optional updates available, but in your case, maybe there are different USB drivers and your graphic card drivers Definitely there will be 5 to 10 updates will be available. You can choose one by one by just clicking on the check boxes and then click on this download and install button under these updates, and they will be download and install, and then restart your device and you are good to go. If you want to update your audio input or output driver, you can choose. It don't matter that what kind of software or hardware you are using. The way is same in every Windows OS. So simply right click on that and then click on update driver. And similarly Bluetooth, computer, disk drive, display adapter, DVD, human interface devices, keyboards, mouse, monitors, network adapters, ports, print, processor, software, sound, storage system, universal bus, each and everything else. You can expand this from this right arrow, and then you can simply right click on each and then updates. There are dozens and dozens of ways to do it manually. Some might be useful for you. You can search on internet for driver updater for Windows tools and download some popular tool and use it. But I will not recommend you to use any third-party tools because it is harmful for your system health, and most importantly they are dangerous for your accounts that are logged into your device. They can store data from your device remotely and can hack passwords of your accounts. My recommendation is to use only official tools and some of one's popular tools that are safe, like Intel Assistant. Let's talk about some precautions you have to keep in your mind. Not every available update is for your system. Most of the updates in Windows 11 are just for high-end systems which have compatible processor and fulfill other requirements. Only update that install easily. Don't interrupt your mind into the things that are not for you. Just keep going on. Don't depress your mind to download the updates in an unofficial way. It can harmful for your entire system. So a little recap for you. That's all how you can download and install driver automatically in Windows 11 by just one click. First of all, download and install Intel driver and Spot Assistant and follow back-to-back process. Second way, use third-party tools, but make sure official and safe tools use only, not go to unofficial tools. Third method, go to settings, then go to Windows update settings. From here, just by click on that, at the left bottom you can see this Windows update icon, and from here it will be scanned for your available updates and you can choose what to download. And similarly you can go to advanced option. From here you can see under the additional options you can see optional features. You can click on that. It will show you the available optional updates. It will be some USB driver, your graphic card driver. You can choose what to download. Look for available driver and updates, download and enjoy. If you have any kind of problem or query, let me know down below in the comment box. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did so, make sure to give us a like, and also don't forget to subscribe, and not just to subscribe. Ring the bell that you, my friend, don't miss out any other feature, tips, tricks or tutorials. So meet in the next one. Till then, stay tuned and make sure that you keep creating.